Hey folks, this is Vineet from theurbanastronomer.com. Scientists claim in a new paper that they have discovered extraterrestrial proteins on a meteorite for the first time. Now the paper is still undergoing peer review, so don't take this as accepted fact yet. Researchers are calling the protein Hemolithin, and it consists of chains of amino acids glycine and hydroxyglycine. It is also bound with other elements like iron, lithium and oxygen. The discovery was made by analyzing the meteorite Acfer 086 using a new technique called MALDI mass spectrometry that had not been used to analyze this meteorite earlier. The protein is structurally similar to proteins on Earth, but it has a higher concentration of deuterium to hydrogen, which helps confirm that it is of extraterrestrial origin and is not due to contamination on Earth. In fact, it also indicates that this is of a protosolar disk or molecular cloud origin. Interestingly, the paper also states that the iron-oxygen-ion grouping in the molecule could split water upon absorption of photons, and that the molecule's unique chain length suggests that there could be a replication advantage. Of course, all of this is not proof of extraterrestrial life, but it again indicates that the presence of life's building blocks are present in space. The team does mention that there is a slight chance that it is not protein but a polymer, which is a broad class of molecules of which proteins are only one. However, it seems most likely to be proteins. Many processes can create proteins, but life as we know it cannot exist without it. Please like, comment and subscribe to watch more videos like this. As always, thanks a lot for watching.